Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 replica and kit cars for sale. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video in order to support the channel. Let's get started. Number 1, 1962 Austin Healey, 3000 MK replica Restomod, $35,000, Boise, Idaho. According to the seller, this gorgeous 1962 Austin Healey 3000 MK replica Restomod was built with attention to detail and performance in mind. It mixes classic British styling with solid American power, running a 350 Chevy V8 paired with a Ford 4-speed top-loader manual transmission. The car features a 1970s Mustang II front end with disc brakes, long tube headers, and a March air filter system. Inside you'll find VDO gauges, an Alpine high-end stereo, and a custom two-tone snakeskin style interior. It even has a removable Carson style hardtop. Everything works as it should. It drives fantastic, sounds mean, and looks absolutely stunning. Clean title in hand and ready to go. Number 2, Porsche 356 Coupe replica, $49,000, Oceanside, California. Seller's description says this Porsche 356 Coupe replica was built using a Kitman body and chassis, powered by a Subaru 2-liter turbo engine, and connected to a Benko transaxle. It's got Lummus rear arms, strange shocks, rack and pinion steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes. A modern setup under that classic body. The ad notes it'll come down once the car is sold, so it's clearly ready for a new home. Number 3, 1970 Plymouth Cuda replica, $87,500, Portland, Connecticut. According to the seller, this triple black 1970 Plymouth Cuda replica went through a full rotisserie restoration. It's powered by a rebuilt 3.8 liter with 3 cylinders engine with a 727 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got front disc brakes, drums in the rear, and only a handful of miles since the full rebuild. The attention to detail and condition make this one a showstopper. Number 4. 1960s Morgan Replica, $17,500, Elmira, California. Seller says this 1960s Morgan Plus 4 replica sits on a 1954 Oldsmobile chassis and running gear. Under the hood is a 32, 4 cubic inch Oldsmobile rocket motor with a 4-barrel carb, backed by a GM hydraulic 3-speed transmission. It's a one-off handmade body with custom paint, folding top and side curtains, runs and drives, and has that charming old-school British roadster feel with American muscle underneath. Number 5, 1964, Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt Tribute, $26,900, Winchester, Virginia. According to the seller, this Fairlane Thunderbolt Tribute is a very solid 64 Ford with a rebuilt 30, 2 Mexican block, and a 4-speed manual. It's got a posy rear end, new paint, and new torque thrust wheels with slicks. The seller mentions it still needs front shocks and alignment and exhaust work, but it's a strong project for anyone wanting a classic Ford drag style build. Possible trades considered for other classics from 1955 through 1972. Number 6, 1970 Porsche 914 Custom, $16,500, Plymouth, Connecticut. Seller says this custom wide-body 1970 Porsche 914 is a one-of-a-kind build with a handmade thick fiberglass body. It's running a fresh 2-liter flat 4 with a 5-speed transmission. The car's interior looks like new, and it's been stored inside a climate-controlled building for over a decade. The brakes need work from sitting, and the carbs could use tuning, but it runs well enough to drive around the yard. Price is firm, cash only. Number 7, 1957 Porsche 356, a Speedster replica, $26,500, Flower Mound, Texas. According to the seller, this 1957 Porsche 356A Speedster Replica was built from a Fiber Fab International kit back in the late 80s. It's powered by a Volkswagen 1600cc engine with dual carbs and a 4-speed manual. Finished in Guards Red over beige vinyl with a tonneau cover, lap belts, and speakers ready for a stereo. It recently got fresh filters, a new Hearst-style shifter, and a carb tune. Not a show car, but a perfect affordable way into a Speedster-style classic. Clean Texas title in hand. Number 8, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Baldwin Motion. $14,000, Lake in the Hills, Illinois. Seller's notes mention this Baldwin Motion replica packs a built 350 small block paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got a brand new interior, new brakes, fresh tires, and new electrical components, including the starter, alternator, and fuel pump. The paint and graphics are in excellent condition, and the car is completely rust-free, originally from Georgia. Comes with a Kenwood sound system and runs straight as an arrow, ready to hit the road. Number 9, 1964 Austin Healey Sebring, $3,000 to $22,500, Ormond Beach, Florida. According to the seller, this 1964 Sebring 3000 replica captures that classic 60s British sports car look with modern comfort and reliability. It's powered by a Ford 3.02 small block V8 with a performance roller cam and upgraded heads, paired with a C4 automatic for smooth cruising. It's finished in bright red with a black convertible top and matching boot. Inside, it's got leather seats, power brakes, power steering, and a CD system with navigation. It's a comfortable cruiser that looks and sounds like $1 million without the maintenance of a real Healey. Number 10, 1973 Reliant Scimitar, $20,038, Frederick, Maryland. Seller's description says this Scimitar SE5A has been fully refurbished from a rust-free base with a rebuilt motor featuring a fast road cam and tubular exhausts, a 4-speed gearbox with overdrive, and adjustable suspension. It's got new tires on 5 center lace wire wheels, fresh carpets, and a working sunroof. All original glass is intact, and it comes with plenty of spare parts, including the original seats and wheels. The seller says it starts right up, drives great, and runs cool, a clean, well-sorted classic that's ready to enjoy. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!